You've been a little concerned of the supply of water in your residence. You have your own water source and you want to ensure that it is potable, that it is safe. So you want to check ahead of time if there may be a need for you to let the whole supply undergo proper hydrogen sulfide reduction before you will continue using it. There are those instances when the water supply may actually possess minerals that are not supposed to be present in them. In some cases, the amount of minerals concentrated on the supply is way beyond the allowable limit. If this happens and people still continue to drink the water, there is a possibility that they might get sick in the process. There are many homes these days that have to rely a lot on well water. Many wishes to get their own water supply because they have found out that it is easier for them to reduce their utility bills if they have their own water source. Most of these supplies tend to be considered as hard water, though, so finding ways on how to make them potable is really important. In this event, checking the water supply for possible mineral contents is going to help. You have to make sure that the content of the supply you are relying on is within the level that is allowed and is safe. You would not want to risk the safety and the wellness of your loved ones. Since there is something that you can do to check things, then be sure to get things checked instead. Find experts that are established in this field. One of the best ways for you to ascertain if you are referring to reliable, trustworthy people is the number of years that they have remained active in the service. What you should always remember is that of these people are not reliable enough. There is no way that they would have managed to stay active for this long. These providers need to have the right credentials to easily prove to you that they would be the most appropriate choice that you must be referring to. It helps that you will be able to find the right experts who can get this job done. Then you can trust that they will be able to carry out the task effectively since they do know what it is that they need to do. Ask for a proper explanation of the report that will be generated after the tests are performed. You need to remember that you are not expected to understand the figures, numbers, charts, graphs, and other data that these providers have been able to gather out of the evaluations that they have to perform. Letting them explain things to you in words and terms you can understand is essential. You will find that there are a number of people that you can refer to who may be able to get the procedures to perform hydrogen sulfide reduction done. Just make sure that you check on their credentials and their expertise. This is important so you are sure that letting them perform the task will really get you the kinds of results that you expect to get this time.